Back in February, Sam asked me if I could make a mailbox for the kids in her class to be able to post Valentine's Day cards. Never one to shirk a challenge, I said yes, and this is how it went. As always, the build starts with ripping some wood. Then it's time to guesstimate the slope of the angle on the top panel. And to cut a slot for the letters to be posted through. My favourite toy is my router with a flush trim bit. My second favourite is my nail gun. Watch me build a box. The router can hide a multitude of sins. Sanding everything means nobody gets hurt on rough edges. If you work for OSHA, look away as I cut the hinge with my Dremel. And the hinge gets attached and we have a working door. Now one of these days I'll get the hang of working a video camera and capture all of the project, but here's the finished mailbox with a catch and handle attached, plus a nice coat of TARDIS blue paint. And I'm really pleased at the way this mailbox turned out. This is probably the first project that I haven't had to spend too much time fretting about the design. It was a lot of guesstimation and it happened quite quickly. If you like what you saw, then please click the subscribe button. Please add any comments if there's things you'd like me to change or things that you'd like me to do. And hopefully I'll see you at the next project.